Hello and welcome to another IndySoft Tip Tuesday. My name is Evan, and today I want to talk to you about a new feature in 13.1 with our test point grid. So historically, you've been able to, select a column, right-click, and then under Grid Options, modify the current column caption. So maybe instead of standard, you want to put nominal, for example. You can hit OK, store that value as your new column caption, or if you open it back up, you can go back to the default there, right? So that's all still in place and functioning. But the new option here is to right click, and we've got Edit Column Captions. That'll open up a separate window here, and you'll notice a handful of checkboxes, right? So test description is not actually the default caption, right? We see description is. So that is the modified checkbox. If you look down at the bottom here, we've got a key for those. So modified from default, edited in this dialog, or modified and edited, right? So if I wanted to change this back to description, we see as I change that, the modified box went away because it's going to be the default value, but it is edited in this dialog. And but not until I've retained that, right? So if I hit OK, I see that go back to normal. I can open that back up here. So again, we also see the database fields over here. This will be useful to anyone setting up your test point grids, changing test points for your technicians. Maybe you've got different things that you are measuring and it doesn't quite make sense to you with the default terminology, and you just want to see something for yourself there. So maybe tolerance minus, you want to see lower limit, right? And upper limit. We hit OK, and we see that those are now changed in our test point grid. One thing to also note is that we will want to save those changes. Otherwise, if you close the little X, it will revert to how it was previously configured. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.